When your dog sneezes, do you say bless you? I usually say oh big sneeze bless you my sweet angel baby. Always. Sadly, I don't own a dog, but if your answer is no, I need you to know that you're a monster. Only when it's not in my face. I always give him belly rubs and he always lets out the wettest sneeze all over my face. Well, of course, I'm not an animal. I say just sidstri, which is just bless you in Hungarian. Every time Lolani sneezes a lot. If I have company I just whisper it, but if I'm alone with them I'll say it normally. Yes, also, if you want to laugh, anytime I hear someone sneeze in a YouTube video or stream I'm watching, I say bless you out loud out of habit. I say aw bless you, big sneezes. Yeah, but I have only cat. Reddit, do you count your pet as a child?